Hey guys, Jack Neely here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I am standing in front of the beautiful Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. A really cool boat for the family man and that inshore fisherman. A super large platform for the Montauk series, and just does a great job at that inshore fishing and also that putting around locally that everybody dreams of. But come step aboard and I'll show you guys what she's got. As we step inside the Boston Whaler 21 Montauk, you'll notice that it is an amazing fishing platform. I mean, this is a very large skiff that you won't necessarily have to go see the chiropractor afterwards. This is a foam-filled boat that has a very sleek design that is very comfortable in that offshore or even inshore chop. But step aboard and you'll see that we are powered by the Mercury 200 V6, and we have these awesome jump seats. So with Boston Whaler being a very rugged boat, being able to fish hardcore, this boat is also really easy to maintain. Yes, we've got awesome larger boats, but this is a very simple boat that we could stuff in the garage and just, fish hardcore, or go hit the sandbar with the family. And it says a lot about a 21-foot skiff. But back here we have amazing audio package, the JL audio system. We've got a upgraded helm seat, so this is your upgraded, and you have a large live well down here with designated plier and knife storage. So you get extra rod holders with your rocket launchers up top, but man, most of my customers, they're looking for something simple, and this is an amazing package. But even if it was just the flip-flop seats, you have that enormous live well in this Montauk series. Up here at the helm, you'll notice that we do have a seamless design. This Boston Whaler Montauk, you don't have any loss of sight. So we purposely made these poles going up just very simple, no glass going in between, because this is an amazing day boat. And not to mention, we have a very large hardtop above us. There still is the option to have the bimini in case you guys wanted to have some bridge clearance, or there's an option for a T-top, so it's fiber or canvas up top. But one thing to really mention is we have this underside of our hardtop actually matching the gel coat on the outside of the boat. And the reason we do that, yes, it's sleek, it looks great, but really when you have the reflection off the water on those crystal clear days, when it hits the top of the T-top, it's not going to blind you all day. So a little bit of it is for aesthetics, but also it makes it very practical. When you're looking forward too, you'll notice we do have these low grab rails. Some of my customers like the high grab rails, but it's very sleek. From the outside of the boat, you're going to notice you don't see those grab rails, and that's what makes this boat a Boston Whaler. It's a very rugged design, but it's very versatile and really thought after. I mean, the Boston Whaler engineering here is really fine-tuning every single detail that's in this boat. Down low underneath the helm, you'll notice that we do have a head. So this is a very nice area for storage and also for those emergencies out on the water. Very large for a 21-foot skiff. And then as we make our way forward, we do have the option for our Yeti cooler. I've mentioned at the aft of the boat that our live well can be a cooler. We have our cooler that could be a cooler, and we have our fish box that could be a cooler. This is a great thing that Boston Whaler's integrated so that you guys can have a lot of fish in the boat, have a lot of drinks in the boat, and make sure you can tackle anything out at the sandbar. Up here on the bow of the 21, you'll notice that we do have a lot of leg room, but when I was talking about the aesthetics of this grab rail, this is a low profile grab rail. We have the option for it to be up tall, but it is nice to be a captain and have some family members up on the bow and feel comfortable when I'm ripping 40 and they have something to hang on to. Underneath my butt over here too, we have a very large fish box for a 21-foot skiff. An insulated fish box, a nice area to throw all your bait and catch of the day. But if you were just hitting the sandbar and not stinking up this fish box, this would be a nice area to throw all of your drinks. This boat as well is already equipped with the pre-ran troll motor rig. So we have the option to throw a troll motor on this boat because it is foam filled, and doing that after the fact is a little bit more difficult. So we pre-run most of these Boston whalers just so that it gives you the option, but also helps you out in the future. But thanks for joining us on the Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. My name is Jack Neely and my phone number is 904-655-8383. Come on, check her out.